Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a regular Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday, July the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the Sudoku Light. And it's time for the Sudoku Heavy. Yes, Sudoku Heavy. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of those puzzles I will do in the evening, but first the Sudoku Heavy. Yes, heavy number 6714. It's a speed test. The first Friday of the month I will do always a speed test with the heavy and the Sudoku Light, without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. Already 1 minute and 18 seconds passed. Alright, here we have a 2, here we have a 2, need a 2 here, need a 2 there, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, need a 8 here, need a 9 here, need a 8 here, need a 8 there, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Okay, 7, 7, 7 should be here. 9, 9, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, need a 5, 7, need a 7 here, 2, 7, need a 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, need a 5 here, 6, 7, need a 6 here, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 6, 7, come on, 6, 6, here, 6, need a 1 here, 3, 8, 7, come on, need a 9 here, 5, 1, 2, need a 1 here, need a 3 there, 3, 3, need a 3 there, 1, 2, 3, need a 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 1 should be here, 1 should be there. I've eliminated the 7 should be here, 7, oh, need a 7 here, 4 and a 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, and a 6, need a 6 here, need a 2 here, need a 8 here, need a 8 there, 8 and 4 here, 8, need a 4 here, need a 4 and 6 here, 5 and 3, 5, 6, 3, 3, 3, 9 and 2, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 and 6. Need a 6 5 5 3 4 9 2 9 8. Need a 7 here. Come on, need a 2 here. Need a 6. Oh, here should be the 6. Eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Need a 7 here. 3 3. Need a 3 there. 5 5. Need a 5 there. Need a 7 also here. No, 7 and 6. 1 box left. Oh, 1 2 3 4. Need a 5. 5 5. Need a 5 there. 8 2 and a 4. Need a 4. 8 2 and a 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 4 8 9. 4 8 9. No. Come on. 1 1. This should be the one. We have a 1 here. Eliminated the 5. 5 should be there. Eliminated the 2. 2 should be there. 3 should be there. 3 should be there. 5 should be there. 7. 2 numbers left. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. But here 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. No. 8 9 4. 8 9 4. 7 and a 6. This should be the 7. This should be the 6. This should be the 7. 6 6 6 5 5 5. 8 9. 9 should be here. And need a 4 4 4 4 8 9 8 9 8 4 4 8. You have a 9 here. 9 there. This should be the 9. 4 8 9 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. This should be the 8. 8 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 4 4 4 4. 4 8 9. 4 and a 9. This should be the 8 then. 4 and a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. 1 box left. 8 8. Here we have an 8. 2 and 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 4 and a 9. 4 9. 2 and 9. Finished. 8 minutes. Well. By the way, this Sudoku Heavy has 26 printed digits. Yeah. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, this will be 2 stars. For 2 stars, you need to be. The time limit for the 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We solved this in 8 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday.